How to sew a hoodie. Things you're gonna need: fabric, thread, sewing machine, scissors, pins, clips, measuring tape, a pattern. Ribbing fabric is optional for like the sleeves and the waistband, and an iron. Step 1, gather fabric, gather your pattern. Take measurements to adjust pattern to your size. Then you're going to cut out your fabric, leaving seam allowance if not included. You should cut out 2 sleeves, 2 hood pieces, a front panel, and a back panel. You're going to sew pockets to the front panel before sewing all the pieces together. You're going to sew all the pieces at the seams. Here I am showing you the seams for the sleeves, then the seams for the hoodie, and then I'm going to show you the seams for the body, front and back panels. To sew them together, you're going to want to use a straight stitch and a zigzag stitch, or a straight stitch and a serger. First, I'm straight stitching at all the seams. I'm starting with my sleeves, then I'm moving on to the hoodie, and then I'm moving on to the body, which is the front and back panels again. Then I'm going to serge everywhere I straight stitched. A serger just cleans up my edges, cleans up the future fraying from those rough edges. You know, you want a clean edge when you're sewing, so I like to use a serger to ensure that my edges are going to be nice and clean, as you can see here. All right, then I'm also going to serge my hem. Right, I'm going to serge the bottom of the hoodie, the bottom of the sleeves, just like so. Attach all sewn pieces together, right sides facing. So I'm doing my sleeves, I'm attaching them seam to seam. The inside of the seam of the sleeve to the side seam of the body. And I'm going to add a pin right at that seam so it stays there, it doesn't move. You're going to do that to both sides and the hoodie as well. For the hoodie, you're going to put the middle of the hood to the middle of the back panel. And if you want a breakdown video of that, I can show you. Just comment below and I'll be happy to upload a video specializing on putting that hoodie in the middle of the hood, or hoodie in the middle of the hood of the back. You know, you get what I'm saying. Now I'm going to serge and straight stitch all of those together. So I'm attaching my sleeves to the body, attaching my hoodie to the body, hemming and ironing. And that is how you sew a hoodie. Please comment below with any questions that you may have or suggestions, you know. If you feel like I need some tips, baby, leave a tip for me, okay? I hope y'all having a wonderful day. Stay tuned for more.